So what is peer support and how can it help early prevention? Hi, I'm Liz Robson-Kelly, CEO of Worth It, positive and organisational psychologist that specialises in early prevention of mental health problems in children and young people. If you like the content on this video, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the link below. One thing we specialise in at Worth It is peer support. And how we provide that is we provide a program called Wellbeing Ambassadors that encourages and trains young people to develop a peer support program that fits the needs of their school or setting. So we train young people in a range of coaching and wellbeing skills that then they can think about how do we as a group of young people want to use these skills to help our peers. The ultimate aim of the Wellbeing Ambassadors program is to increase a sense of belonging and positive relationships, because we know positive relationships and feeling that we belong to our school communities is a protective factor that helps prevent the onset of mental health problems in young people. So if young people can lead programs and initiatives in their school or setting that help them feel that they belong and that help their peers belong, then that is going to help prevent mental health problems developing. If you want to find out more about this, then please download our Wellbeing Ambassadors cheat sheet, which you'll be able to find in the description below.